Hi guys, going through stuff bagged up in the loft, trying to clear some space. This is Christmas stuff, I think. I say think, I'm 100% certain. Okay, I reckon that might be a Christmas thing. I wonder if I left batteries in it. No, that's good. That takes two big ones. Size C. I'm pretty sure it works. I suppose I'll put some batteries in it and check. We'll put him to one side for a minute. That would have been St. Peter's Hospice, £1.99. That was a good few years ago. I'll put some batteries in that in a minute, see if we can get something out of him. Just an ordinary ceramic Father Christmas gnome thingy. Another Father Christmas. Don't think that one's animatronic. Oh, wow. Yes, it is. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Oh, lovely. Oh, I think that'd be worth a few bob to somebody. A charity shop. Well, you probably can't see that, but that says imported by Domo Tea. Whoever Domo Tea is. Yeah, another ceramic, probably from Poundland, I would think, something like that. And that looks like some 3D printed, 3D printed reindeer and 3D printed Christmas tree. Right, well, I think that lot can go back in there. I'll just try some batteries in that other one, just to see if it does work. I missed that one. That one was in the bottom of the bag. Right, a couple of adapters to use AA batteries in there. Music works. It doesn't look like the actual doesn't look like any action is working. I bet that's one I bought and thought of repairing and never got round to it. I don't think I will spend time repairing it. I can feel vibration. There's a motor running in there. Oh, we'll have a look at that, but we'll do a separate video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.